patingin natin si baby for monthly check-up. And you want to eat McDonald's, Beta? Ayan si Papa. Ayan si Papa.
Oma, dito perito dorati na.
Oo. Kantaro, awas. Eh? Tingnan niyo naman ng baby ko. What Tia is bringing? What is it? Strawberry shake. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo for the monthly check-up of my baby. We'll be going to the Children's Hospital. And nagpatingin din ako ngayon guys. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano sinabi ng doktor. Diba nasabi ko sa inyo na nagpunta kami sa hospital nung isang araw. And nagpunta kami sa malaking city para nga ipatingin and sa super speciality. Kaya ngayon, pupunta kami sa loob. Papatingin natin si baby for monthly check-up. And yun sa akin, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Sarap ng tulog. Ivan! Ivan! Sarap ng tulog mo. Ivan! Sarap ng tulog ng baby ko. Ilang pa naman. Mami? Ganda? Sarap naman ng tulog ng baby niyan. Nakuro dyan, nakuro.
Nakuru hasta lagছে वजन पर
Ang video. Ivan?
जो आ बाजू बोला है मम्मा बोला है जो
Ivan?
जो ऊपर ऊपर
Abad.
गणपति 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 गणपति
Gwapo-gwapo naman ng baby niya. Gwapo-gwapo.
गणपति 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 गणपति
Yes.
गणपति गणपति पक पक
Bau ka mas.
क्वैक क्वैक
Bau ka mas, Ivan.
क्वैक क्वैक
You like playing? You like playing with Tita Foy?
उसा नंबर
You like
आउसा
playing with Foy? Eh?
क्वैक 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 क्वैक
Wala na. Dinambad na. Antok na.
गणपति गणपति
Wala na sa mood. Nandito kami ngayon sa hospital kasi magpapa-check up tayo kay Ivan. Kasi nga natapos na yung monthly check up. Dumating na yung monthly check up niya since tapos na yung 1.5 month. So, ayun, nagpa-vaccine na rin siya. So, ipapa-update natin yung vaccination card and yung listahan niya para alam natin kung ano pa yung mga vaccine na hindi pa napupunta or hindi pa nai-inject sa kanya. So, ayun, nandito kami ngayon. Hinihintay namin yung doctor na titingin sa kanya. And then, after some time, makakain na kami. And ang dami kong kukwento sa inyo, guys, kasi nagpunta na ako dun sa gynec ko. So, dahil nauna kami doon, kasi importante talaga, and kukwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinapagawa niya sa akin and kung ano yung sinabi niya sa akin na dapat gawin tungkol sa dun sa mastitis na sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, pag uwi na lang ng bahay kasi baka bawalan ako dito sa pag-video. Maglola. Lola and tita. Lola and tita. Ayan si Lola. Ba, keuche ba? Sarasche. Ane Foy. How are you, Foy?
Fine.
Fine. So, ayan guys, nagpa-check up na kami. And ayan ang baby natin. Pinukuha na ni Papa yung sasakyan para hindi na kami maglakad. Ivan! Abadyo, beta. Ivan! Are you done with your check-up? Everything is complete? Fine?
Yes.
Yes! Everything is complete daw po. Ayan, kakain na kami guys. Probably will be eating at McDonald's again. So ayan, I'll see you later. Bye-bye! So ayun guys, sinabihan kami ng doktor na di ba nagpunta kami sa may government hospital, nagpalagay kami ng mga vaccines doon. In-explain niya sa amin yung kaibahan ng mga nilalagay sa mga government hospital kasi nga free lang doon, di ba? Meron pala silang painless na vaccine dito guys, kung saan hindi masyado masasaktan yung baby and hindi siya, yung parang hindi mamamaga yung ano niya and kung ano yung mga included dun sa may vaccine na tinurok sa kanya, ganyan. So mas marami silang scope ng vaccine dito. Kaya next time, next na punta namin, next month, babalik kami dito para ibahin lahat natin yung vaccination program niya. And then, ipaano natin kay doktora na lang. Kasi ayaw na namin sa may government kasi daw, mas maraming scope yung nasasakop na disease dito sa hospital. And mas tiwala kami dito. So, ayun. Nagkamali kami, dapat pala hindi na kami nagpunta sa government hospital for that. Kasi sobrang nilagnat si Ivan. And sobrang sumakit yung paa niya, namaga. So, ayun, kain na muna kami. I'll update you later. So, it's first time of Ivan to go inside the mall. Chala, let's go. Ay, inaantok na. Inaantok na ang baby. Actually, nakapunta na ako dito sa mall na to guys before. Kasama si Jano and Milan. But this time, first time din ng mommy and papa. Kasama si Ivan. Ayan. First time pupunta ni Ivan sa mall. Ayan guys. Punta tayo sa McDonald's. Let's see. Eh, nagtitingin-tingin si Ivan. Ano, Ivan? Ano? So many lights?
Juju.
Tinitignan niya yung mga lights. Ayan.
Juju, karat mo na. Ajudan par.
You want to eat McDonald's, Beta? Ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa McDonald's, guys. We will be, getting the order now. Ayan. Ivan? Uy. Yes, anak. Oh, this is your first time going inside the mall, na? How was it? You like it? What Tia is bringing? What is it? Strawberry shake. Thank you. Makita? Hindi na ako umiinom ng soft drinks. I think I've already tried everything they have in McDonald's, Bun. Because every time you're eating here, I'm choosing different option. Ayan, this is strawberry, the one they have. Natin yung strawberry shake nila. Eko kachako? Masta siya.
I don't like strawberries.
It's good. Very good. I like it. Gutom na yung baby. So, umorder lang kami nitong cheeseburger and french fries. So, kakain na ako bago pa siya umiyak. So, ayan guys, nagbili kami dito sa may store na to. And look how much we bought. Janu, you did a lot of shopping? How many paper bags?
4.
So, total of 33 pieces. And they're still counting right over there, oh. Ayan, give me. I'll help you. So, ayun, ang dami. Chala, thank you. Thank you so much. Chala. Look at the bill. Very long. Open it, Jano. Lambo. So, we bought for mommy, papa, me, Milan, and Jano. Chala, let's go. Thank you so much. Chala. Ayan, pauwi na kami, guys. Now we are going sa bahay. Tapos, kikikitain na natin si Milan kasi si Milan, meron siyang 24 hours duty. Jano, are you okay? Can you handle it?
No, I will give to Papa.
Okay. So, ayan. Dami. So, ayan guys. Tingnan natin kung saan naghihintay si Papa. Ayan si Papa.
Oma, ito pelito Dorothy na.
Oh, kantaro, awas. Eh? Tingnan niyo naman ang baby ko. કંટાળા આવે છે તમે
ના થાકી જવાય ને
થાકી જવાય
ઉપવાસ છે ને આજે ફાસ્ટ છે ને
ફાસ્ટિંગ એટલે ઓછું ખાધું
હા.
Look at her.
And look at mommy over there looking for shoes.
And enough money. She is buying
How
more
much
things.
is the bill, Jano?
14,050.
Guys, this is 14,000. Grabe shopping galore si Jano.
14,050 rupees.
Dapat si mommy is there looking for bag, wallet. Chalo guys. हो खरंच जो તમાર શોપિંગ નહીં પઈ તો હજુ હા
ચાલો હવે
ચાલો લેટ્સ ગો ગાઈસ
ઉપર જઈએ જાનો
પાર્કિંગ આપણા પાર્કિંગ નીચે ચાલો ayun guys uwi na kami so ayun guys meron din dito akong nakitang nagme-Mendy art oh ayan uso din dito sa loob ng mall so dyan kami namili kanina ni Jano Ah?
very fast.
very fast because if they draw very slow the customers will leave na
Yes.
so
They
ayan
are experts, champions.
This guy is doing it na. The one. So, ayan. Si Mami bumili lang ng asin doon sa may Smart Bazaar. And ito yung mall sa India. So, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Lailon Taja. Ito ko. Ayan. Ali dress. So, ayan guys. Nandito kami ni Jano. Ayan, Jano.
I am looking very bad.
Bad kayo, ay, John, eh? Look at me, I'm haggard. We are very tired in changing clothes, trying and all. So, nandito kami ngayon waiting for mommy kasi bumili sila ng salt. Salt daw dito sa may Smart Bazaar. And, natapos na rin yung check-up ni Ivan. Nagpa-schedule na kami ng vaccination niya kapag 2.5 months na siya. Tapos, meron na rin silang sinabi tungkol sa ano ko.
Even will also cry like that for this.
Wait, I will show you. Ayan o, hindi na ako makapaghintay na sumakay si Ivan sa ganyan. That is for rent over there.
Yes.
So, meron ding nagre-renta ng ganito guys. Ganyan yung Indian mall. And the food stalls, magkakahilera. Tapos yung mga damit, magkakahilera din dito. Oh. Parang katulad lang din sa Pilipinas. Pero mas malaki yung mga natin, mga malls natin sa Philippines. You know, in the Philippines, Jano, it's packed. So much people. Because there's only one attraction in Philippines. Only the mall. That's why. But here, look oh, Kali. Even in mall, you will see your friends, your relatives. So many. You cannot go inside the mall without knowing anyone.
There is also game zone and horror house.
On top.
Top floor.
Ayan o, hanggang 4th floor siya. Ayan. Pero mas maganda yung mga natin sa Philippines, guys, yung mga malls natin. Mga pinamili natin, guys, ayan o. We'll do, later. Haul sa lahat ng mga pinamili natin dito. Ayun, pumunta na naman sila doon. Saan kaya sila napadpad?
Lion water.
Hi, Iwan!
Hi!
Guys, nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay and we'll be doing clothing haul. Papakita namin sa'yo lahat ng mga binili namin sa may mall. Papakita namin kung sino-sino yung mga binilhan namin and ano-ano ba yung mga style ng mga damit na meron sila dito and mga pinamili namin. As you can see guys, 4 yan na paper bag. Diyan, let's go and open everything.
You want me to divide everyone's clothes?
It's okay na, let's just open everything like whose clothes is it? Kali ka na. Kali ka na. Let's see how much we bought. Ayan guys. For all of these clothes, how much we cost? 14,000 plus na?
14,050.
Oh, so for all of these clothes, 14,000 guys. Pero nandyan na yung clothes namin ni Jano, my clothes, mommy, papa, and Milan. So ayan, ang dami. And you know guys, you have to pay for the paper bag here in India. 12 rupees. 10 rupees, 8 pesos.
But they
7
give
pesos.
one paper bag for
Free. So ayan. Kesa naman sa hawakan namin, guys, 'di ba? So binili na lang namin. Hindi ko alam sa Philippines, Milan, Jano, it's free lang, paper bag. I don't know why you have to pay. I don't know why you have to pay it here.
Did you buy 2 same jeans?
Different. Same color, pan different.
Why?
These have different style. This is fit. That one is little bit baggy, mom jeans. So, ayan, oh. This is my pants, guys. Actually, nothing fits me. So, I have to buy new set of clothes. Ayan, there's pants for me. Ayan, naiyak yung baby ko. This is mom jeans. So much more. And usually, we bought, Jano, like, terno means cord suit.
Oh, yes, cord set. This one. This is yours?
So, me and Jano have actually same color lang. We have same color violet, no?
What did you buy with this?
The top. Yan.
No, this one. Cord set.
Yan, cords. Isn't it too big for me? Anyway, it's, only...
It's baggy.
Only, house clothes anyway. So, no problem.
Comfortable.
Ayan. Terno kasi I don't look good with my everyday clothes now. Next is...
Pink.
Yan, that pink. I like that pink. Looks very good to me, no?
Yes.
Yan, pink. Because I became very fat, guys.
Not that big.
It's okay. Because I become very fat already. Kaya I need new set of clothes. And so much more. Pause, should I help you?
No,
Or you will
that's
show everything?
What else?
I have black jeans.
Black.
Yan, black. That is mine also, black, guys. Meron din yung cord set na black. On top.
Black, upano kayo?
It's Milan. That one.
This one is also that big. That purple one is...
It's big. Kaya na, it's okay. It's just everyday clothes anyway. This one, I can use it sa airport. See, color-coded. Color-coded. Then, the pants, I have black pants. Yan. Boss, that's it. That's all my clothes. Yan. Diba? Mom jeans. Baggy. Yan. Now, let's see Janu's. Now, yours.
It's all yours.
Put it here. Let's see Janu's clothes. Ayan, we have same one. Diba? Ang ganda. Bongga.
I didn't buy purple t-shirt. I bought this to wear.
You have also different one, na? You did not take the other one?
Which one?
The white one also?
Na, yun na iliti.
So, yan. Mayroon siyang pang terno. See? You also have brown one, no? Let's see. This one, Bilho. Karucho, Pachi. This one, Jano looks good with this one last time when she tried it. But we cannot shoot video, no, Jano?
No.
Because they are not allowing to shoot video there sa my fitting room. Down, brown one. Yan.
It looks good.
Very good. You have to tuck in. And then it will look good. And then we also bought for mommy and papa. But Jano have more kurtas, I think. Kurta are also good, guys. Yung kurta naman nila dito, guys. You see what Jano is wearing? Ayan, that's called kurta. Same like mine, na Jano. Why you did not buy the top of that one?
It was not in my size, so I have to buy different one.
That's yours also? Kay mommy.
Nah,
This is the combination of this one. Okay. Now, yan.
No!
What?
That one was not with combination with that.
Then, you did not buy anything? The black, brown, violet one.
I don't remember.
I think you did not buy the combination of
No,
that
that
one.
t-shirt was with this thing.
Okay.
And this t-shirt was with black.
Okay, barabar. So,
But
ayan.
I think it's look good.
It looks good. I didn't see that it's not combination. I didn't know.
So,
Baki haruche.
it's
What
for
is
night
this?
dress.
Okay, night dress. Okay, that's why I was
Pajama.
wondering. Okay, ayan. Ang dami naming binili. Diyan, no? Tamarong sulay, Lido. Track pants. So, tignan natin. Ayan. Mommy, no, che? Taro?
Mommy, sir.
So, ayan, mommy. Si mommy, konti lang yung binili niya kasi Walang magandang set of kurtas doon. So, mga t-shirts lang yung mga
This is
pinamili
mine.
niya. Okay. That black one na?
I can wear it on black.
Ayan.
Yeah, black
Maganda
lady
siya.
to
Oo.
Black to एक और ली this.
Yan, kurta.
Tunic.
Yan. And then you can wear it with pants, no? Or leggings.
Yes,
Ayan.
pant. जो black पर हारू लाग्छ.
Mast siya.
हारू लाग्छ black.
બીજો કેવો લીધો છે
બીજો blue.
કઈ છે
Aho rin. Bau badu siya dyan. Yan, ito maganda din siya, oh. Kurta. Will you not feel, very hot with that one? Long sleeves?
It's comfortable.
It's, thin cloth only. Yan.
લીધો ને
So, ayan, kay mommy. For sleeping wear.
This t-shirt.
એટલે
T-shirt.
લીધો લે મેં ટ્રેક લિયા કઈ
કઈ બે કાઢા હતા.
Pela dyan, na yek. Ayan. Haru siya. Masta siya color. So, how many t-shirts? 2 t-shirts?
3 t-shirts.
3 t-shirts.
And 1 pair.
Ayan, di ba? Ganda. Colorful. Very, very good.
કાઢ્યો છે ને હવે બીજા બે ત્રણ
Naman yung kay Milan. Yan guys, I bought something for Milan also.
હવે મળ્યો છે ને બીજો તો મને દેજે ને મારે ચાલશે
So yun, kukunin na lang daw ni Mami yan sa kanya. Bago pa yan, hindi pa nasuot. Milan also.
આ મસ્ત છે મને બહુ ગમી. બીજી આવી કાઢી હતી ને તે કઈ ગઈ
Ekat
Muki
siya.
didi.
Muki
Biara
didi.
din.
I also
Nangihari.
wear it. Baggy.
એના આવી
With
Tuck in.
leggings.
Tuck in
Jeggings.
કરીને.
Masta siya. And one polo, I think. Polo shirt.
છે ને.
Shirt.
બે શર્ટ છે.
Beige shirt. So we bought 2 shirts for Milan also, guys. Ito. Milan.
હા કઈ ગઈ
Ayan. Ganda. Very pretty. You did not buy anything for Papa shirt?
એવું કીધું તું કે આ મિલનને આવી રહેશે ને તો ખરા નહીં આવી રહે તો પપ્પા પહેરશે.
Barabar. So, if hindi daw kasya kay Milan to, bibigay kay Papa. Ito din, I like this one so much. Very, very pretty. Look, ganda.
આ મિલનને નહીં જ આવી રહેવા.
Kaya na, Papa perse na, white pants chale. Ayan. Ito naman guys, kay Papa naman to. Ayan. Para hindi na ulit-ulit yung mga pinagsusuot niya. Kaya binili na rin namin siya ng ganito. The other one is very colorful also. Very good color. Ayan. This one I like so much. Right? So that's it guys. That's our shopping haul. Clothing haul.